Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get into a Lincoln MKZ with a dead battery. First, you'll need to access the mechanical key hidden inside your key fob. This small, physical key is essential for manual entry. Next, locate the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. It's often concealed by a small cap. Gently pry off this cover to expose the keyhole, then insert your mechanical key, and once inside your MKZ, your next step is to open the trunk, as the battery is typically located there. Look for a manual trunk release lever, often found near the driver's seat on the floor or dashboard. If that doesn't work, some models have a release accessible by folding down the rear seats. Pull this lever firmly to pop open the trunk lid, granting you access to the vehicle's power source. Since MetaMask doesn't natively support Solana, you'll need to bridge your SOL to an Ethereum virtual machine compatible network. This process converts your native Solana into a wrapped version, known as WSOL, which can then be managed by MetaMask. You'll use a secure cross-chain bridge, such as Wormhole or Allbridge, for this. Connect your Solana wallet, like Phantom, to the bridge, and then connect your MetaMask wallet to the desired EVM chain. Follow the bridge's instructions to complete the asset transfer. Now you're ready to jumpstart your MKZ. First, connect the red, positive jumper cable to your MKZ's positive battery terminal. Then, attach the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, connect the black, negative cable to the assisting vehicle's negative terminal. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your MKZ's engine block, away from the battery. Start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes before trying to start your MKZ.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.